Heavy rains in the Gulf region have lashed the United Arab Emirates, sweeping across major highways, leaving vehicles abandoned on roadways across the capital Dubai. The floods followed heavy rains that began overnight and disrupted flights at Dubai International Airport, the world's busiest for international travel. The schools across the Gulf country were shut before the storm and the government employees were working remotely. According to estimates, over 30 millimeters of rain fell over the morning in Dubai, with as much as 128 millimeters of rain expected throughout the day. Tanker trucks have been sent out into the streets and highways to pump away the water. Meanwhile, the death toll in flooding in neighboring Oman has reached 18, according to official statement on Tuesday. The death toll includes 9 school children and the driver whose car was washed away by the floods. 2 people went missing in the flooding as the country prepared for the storm. Rain also fell in Bahrain, Qatar and Saudi Arabia.